Alright folks, here comes Amtrak San Joaquin bound train 717. This train will be terminated here at Oakland, Joaquin Square, Oakland. And that 59 PHI leading this one on. I think this is 2012. 2012 sounds like a little foul horn right now. So, here she comes. Enjoy the video. He will be coming on track number 1 in front of me. Yep, he is coming on track number 1 in front of me. Let's back up. All right, F59 PHI. 2009, MPCU 90215. Cat car is 8303, Mount Diablo. Woohoo! Alright folks, that train just pulling in. 717, final stop. This train has a little bit of engine. 2009 F59 PHI, MPCU 90215 with that, and 8303 Mount Diablo. Alright folks, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks for the departure of the out of service 717 train at Oakland, Joaquin Square. We are back right now. This is the out of service 717. Thank you, Ray, for the shave and the haircut. Thank you. This train is going back to the Oakland Amtrak yard. Thank you. 8303 Mount Diablo leaves off. This train is going back to the Oakland Amtrak yard. We'll be returning back here tomorrow morning at 7:12. I am Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good day or night. Bye-bye now.